You didn't care about us, why should we care about you? Show me the homeless shelters run by Muslims. Show me the soup kitchens run by Muslims. I know there are some, but you're going to have to go look in some directory because you can't say offhand. And yet the Quran is replete with commands to look after the orphan, look after the poor, love the poor, be close to the poor. We have incredible poverty in our country. And we have rich Muslims who are capable of doing something about it. Somehow people believe that the ulama are supposed to run all of these things and put them into place. Where's the family that will say, my family will start a homeless shelter and look after the homeless here in Mowbray? Where's the family that will say, my family will start a soup kitchen, and instead of just giving charity every year to all over the place, we're going to do something substantial and have an everlasting installment into this community to make it a better place? Where's the halfway houses and shelters for women who face abuse? We have a national emergency. So where the Muslims are going to rise up and say, you know what? Nobody needs to tell me what to do. I see a need, I will fulfill it bi-idhnillah.